If you're curious about the Zurich Pro scanner from Harbor Freight, you're not alone. The ZRPRO, I was too. So I bought one. And let us just see. Congratulations, you are now the proud owner of the Zurich ZR PRO, state-of-the-art, yada yada. I know that, I'm not sure what's in that envelope there, but I know that it's supposed to come with a 1-year subscription for updates, but this is just the quick and dirty of what's in here. Vehicle communication interface. The old cable Ruski, a USB, a power plug, and the doodad itself. So let me turn this on. Let's see if we can get a little ASMR over the sound of the locust and the traffic. I don't know if that did it for you or not. And we've got the micro USB connector that goes right here on that side, on the left side. Of course, we can't have USB-C. We got a stylus on the back, right there, and there's another one in the box. Let's hit the old on button. ZRPRO. Powered by Android. Hopefully it's not a piece of crap. For $1,000 at the old Hazard Fart, I'm hoping for something pretty good here. Okay, and there is what it boots up to. And I think what we're going to have to do next is read the directions. And I know I'm going to have to get it online, because clearly it's not hooked up to anything yet. But let's see what we can do. So there it is. There's the unboxing. That's what's in it. I'm going to do a little research here, see how it works. Plug it in with the cars and just see what it can do.